What is up, you guys? I am back with another look. I created this look for you guys, so if you're interested and want to know how I did it, then just keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to be clipping my hair out of my way and get it out of my face. Now I'm going to go in with my ColourPop and I Love Sarai collaboration. This is the Cheeky palette. I'm going to be taking the first shade, which is Distressed, and this is going to act as a white blank canvas so that when I go in with the yellow, it's a little extra poppin'. Now I'm going to take my Milani palette and I'm going to go in with the brown shade. I'm going to put this in my crease just to warm it up a little bit, and also when I go with the yellow, I'm going to go over the brown, and this way is going to be easier to create a nice gradient effect. Moving on to my Juvia's Place, this is the Zulu palette. I'm going to take this yellow shade and we're going to put this all over the eyelid, and also you want to make sure to take it all the way to that brown eyeshadow we put at the beginning, and like I said earlier, this is going to help us get that nice gradient effect. And also, if you are looking for a nice yellow, I definitely recommend to get this palette because the colors are so pigmented and easy to blend. Alright, so now that you have your yellow eyeshadow all the way blended out, I'm going to go in with the Subculture palette and I'm going to take this shade Edge, and we're going to put this into our crease just to warm it up again, and so it's not just one color. I'm going to take this Maybelline brown pencil eyeliner and we're going to put this on our lash line. This is just going to help to make our lashes look a lot thicker. And on the other side of this eyeliner, it has a little smudgy tool, so I'm just using that to smudge out that brown eyeliner. The lashes I am using today are the Lily lashes in the style Miami. And these are my favorite lashes because at the base they are nice and full, and then at the tips they kind of flare out, making it a lot easier to see the actual eyeshadow behind the lashes, because I know there's lashes that will cover up your whole eyeshadow and you won't even see it. So these are perfect for that. And the blush I will be using today is by Milani, and this is in the shade Coral Cove. It's a really pretty coral color, and I'm going to apply this to my cheeks and also on the bridge of my nose. And also, by the way, I went ahead and did my whole foundation routine and makeup routine off camera, so if you want to see that, let me know. So here I'm taking that yellow eyeshadow again and putting that all over my bottom lash line, and going in again with the brown eyeliner, I'm going to put that all over my waterline and also a little bit on the bottom lash line. And again, the same thing as I did to the top, I will be smudging the bottom eyeliner out. And now I'm taking this telescopic mascara for my bottom lashes. I believe this is by L'Oreal, but I'm not completely sure. And now for the fun part, for the freckles. At first I started off with the brown Maybelline eyeliner, but then I noticed that it was making the freckles a little bit too big and it looked a lot too fake. So I went in with my Brow Wiz, which made it look a lot more natural, which I loved. This is the final look. I really hope you guys liked it because honestly, I enjoyed doing this. I've always wanted to do fake freckles and I finally did it. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful and blessed day. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye.